About 72 miles from Malibu, Lewis and Clark, a pair of island foxes, currently live at the Santa Barbara Zoo. These island fox inhabit 6 of the 8 Channel Islands off the coast of California. The island fox inhabits these islands because they are large enough to support the population and have a reliable source of fresh water, unlike the Santa Barbara Island and the Anacapa Island. Each island has its own subspecies, and 4 of the 6 subspecies had a drastic 90% population decline in the late 1990s, making them critically endangered. The island fox, whose scientific name is Urocyon littoralis, is part of the phylum Chordata and family Canidae. The 4 subspecies of the island fox include the San Miguel island fox, the Santa Rosa island fox, the Santa Cruz island fox, and the Santa Catalina island fox. These island fox are omnivores and typically eat fruits, insects, birds, eggs, crabs, lizards, and small mammals, including deer mice. The most recent estimate of the population size recorded was 4,001 mature individuals found on all 6 islands.
Although this is smaller than their population was before their near-extinction event, these foxes have come a long way. The rapid decline of the island fox population can be mainly attributed to one animal, golden eagles. This invasive species arrived and colonized the islands in the mid-1990s. From 1996 to 1999, the predation from these eagles reduced the population of these foxes on 2 of the islands that they inhabit from 1,900 to a combined population of 15. Sadly, this was not the only problem that negatively affected the island foxes. Another main factor was unprecedented competition and crowding with new introduced species such as feral cats, sheep, goat, and even American bison. The last main factor is that of harmful human activities, such as car accidents, trapping, habitat degradation by development, and most importantly, bringing sick pets onto the island. Due to their isolation, the island foxes have no resistance to disease. On the Santa Catalina Island, about 90% of the fox population was lost due to canine distemper virus, which was most likely introduced by a domestic dog. As you can see, after all of these factors, there are very few living foxes left.
A team of researchers studied the spatial ecology of island foxes on San Clemente Island, California. This means scientists were looking how island foxes arrange themselves in their environment and how this impacts the spread of disease. 2 areas of space were compared, home range and core range. A home range is the amount of space an animal uses on a regular basis, where an animal gets their most important food sources, reproduces, travels, and dies. Think of this term like your own community. It includes your school, work, and it covers a couple of miles in each direction. To put simply, a core range is the area used more heavily than the apparent clumps of space within a home range. Think of a core range like your own home. These terms are important because researchers on San Clemente Island found that home ranges and core ranges were 78% larger for foxes near roads compared to foxes farther away from their homes. This matters because it means that foxes near roads, which have been seen to move 33% further during a 2-hour interval than non-road foxes, are inherently going to contact more island foxes. This will increase the spread of dangerous pathogens like canine distemper, which leads to a population decrease.
Despite these enormous threats, such as that of the spread of disease, there are several things being done to protect the island fox. Following severe population decline in 2004, the island fox became protected under the Endangered Species Act and is also currently protected under the California state law. In addition to this, conservation scientists have made enormous efforts to restore the island fox's broken ecosystem. To do so, these scientists focused on 3 things: the relocation of the golden eagle, removal of feral pigs, and the reintroduction of the bald eagle. With golden eagles being a main source of decline for the island fox, the Santa Cruz Predatory Research Group was able to trap and relocate a total of 44 golden eagles to a distant site in northeastern California, keeping golden eagle predation low on the Channel Islands. Simply relocating these predators, however, is not enough to guarantee island fox recovery. By reintroducing the bald eagle and removing feral pigs from the island fox habitat, conservationists can assure secure protection for the foxes. While feral pigs prove to be a harmful invasive species to the island fox, bald eagles chase off the golden eagle predator and act as a source of protection. Thanks to efforts from the Institute for Wildlife Studies, all feral pigs have been removed from the islands. And as of 2012, there are over 50 bald eagles flying high over the Channel Islands, keeping the island fox protected from the golden eagle. Even today, fox defenders aren't resting easy. biologists vaccinate the foxes against rabies and other diseases, keeping a close tab on their numbers so they're not surprised by future threats. To prevent endangerment of this species, you can do your part in helping to protect the island fox. Vaccinate your pets to prevent spread of disease to the island fox. Avoid use of pesticides, which run straight into the ocean and harms island animals like the island fox. Reduce your carbon footprint to protect the Channel Island ecosystem and keep foxes like Lewis and Clark running free on the coast of Southern California.